Welcome to Tronify Tech, where your ride gets smarter, sleeker, and straight-up futuristic. Today, we're revealing 20 car gadgets so clever, so practical, you'll question how you ever drove without them. From hidden lifesavers to mood-setting tech, these aren't just accessories, they're upgrades your car deserves. Hit subscribe, tap the bell, and let's dive into the future of driving. Skateboarding, bear car, Ornament, tired of boring dashboards? Meet your new co-pilot, a skateboarding bear that actually moves. This isn't just a cute figurine. It's a kinetic dashboard buddy with real wheels that roll with your turns, adding playful energy to every drive. Made from durable, scratch-resistant resin, it stays put without glue or suction, and its retro-cool design sparks smiles at red lights. Its whimsy meets personality, because your car should reflect you, not just transport you. Saucemoto Dip Clip. Ever spill ketchup on your jeans during a drive-thru run? Say goodbye to sticky messes. The Saucemoto Dip Clip snaps right onto your cup holder and holds your sauce packets upright and ready. No more fumbling, no more spills, just clean, one-handed dipping. It fits all standard fast food sauce cups, ketchup, mustard, even soy sauce. Game changer for snack lovers, foodies, and parents on the go. Keep your car and your clothes crumb-free. Auxbeam 6-gang switch panel. Got off-road lights, air compressors, or extra fans? Control them all from one sleek hub. The Auxbeam 6-gang waterproof switch panel mounts cleanly to your dash or console, giving you instant access to 6 customizable circuits. Backlit blue LEDs make it usable at night, while its marine-grade wiring resists dust, moisture, and vibration. Whether you're overlanding, towing, or just love a tech-forward cabin, this panel turns chaos into control. Plug, switch, and conquer. No electrician needed. Funny gesture LED glowing finger sign. This glowing LED middle finger mounts discreetly to your rear window or dash, lighting up with a bold, humorous signal that's equal parts cheeky and cathartic. Control it remotely or set it to auto glow. Great for laughs, pranks, or just venting road rage safely. It's USB powered, ultra bright at night, and guaranteed to get a reaction. Usually a laugh, never a honk. Drive with attitude, minus the confrontation. Govee Car LED Lights. Transform your cabin into a rolling mood lounge. Govee's dual-line interior LED strips hug your footwells and dashboard with 16 million colors, dynamic music sync, and app-controlled scenes. Want a calm blue for night drives? A pulsing red for your playlists drop? The lights are water-resistant, cuttable to fit any vehicle, and install in minutes with adhesive backing. Plus, the remote gives you instant control, no fumbling with your phone. Your car shouldn't just move you, it should vibe with you. ERBER, 10.26 inches 4. K-Car DVR with CarPlay and Android Auto. Why settle for one screen when you can have a 4K dash cam, rear-view mirror, and smart infotainment system in one? The ERBER 10.26-inch smart mirror streams crystal clear 4K footage front and back, while wirelessly mirroring CarPlay or Android Auto right onto its edge-to-edge display. Make calls, navigate, or play music, all hands-free with Siri or Google Assistant built in. It even records looped video with G-sensor crash detection, so your drive stays safe and smart. Mount it, plug it in, and instantly turn any car into a connected command center. BMK 200-watt Car Power Inverter. Need to run a laptop, mini fridge, or even a coffee maker on the road? Your car's 12-volt socket just got a serious upgrade. The BMK 200-watt Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter converts your car's DC power into clean, stable AC, just like a wall outlet at home. It features dual 110-volt outlets and 2 USB ports, surge protection, and ultra-quiet operation. Whether you're camping, road tripping, or working remotely from your parking spot, this little black box keeps your gear powered without frying your electronics. Teeran 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay adapter. Tired of messy cables and outdated factory systems? Go wireless instantly. The Teeran 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay adapter plugs into your car's USB port and turns any wired CarPlay or Android Auto system into a seamless wireless experience. Start your engine and your phone auto connects. No buttons, no delays. Enjoy full access to navigation, music, calls, and messages with zero lag, thanks to Bluetooth 5.3 and dual-band Wi-Fi. It even supports video playback for passengers on long drives. Stick it, forget it, and drive smarter from day one. WOLFBOX 12-inch 4K rear-view mirror camera. Your rear-view mirror just got a 4K brain transplant? The WOLFBOX G850 smart mirror replaces your old mirror with a 12-inch anti-glare display that shows real-time 4K footage footage from front and rear cameras, parking, lane changes, night driving, crystal clear visibility in every condition. It records continuously with loop storage, includes parking monitoring, and even has voice control for hands-free convenience. No more blind spots, no more guesswork, just total rear awareness at a glance. Upgrade your eyes, not just your engine. Rack magnetic pickup tool. Dropped a bolt, earring, or screw down your seat track or engine bay? Don't crawl under the car with a flashlight. The Rack magnetic pickup tool extends up to 24 inches with a powerful rare earth magnet on a flexible gooseneck, plus a built-in LED light to illuminate dark corners. Retrieve metal objects from under seats, inside vents, or deep in your trunk in seconds. It folds flat for your glove box, yet handles heavy-duty grabs with ease, small enough to forget until you really need it. Then, total lifesaver. SEAMETAL car interior brush dust clinging to your AC vents? Crumbs buried in your console? Meet your new detailing secret weapon. The SEAMETAL interior detailing brush features ultra-soft, anti-static bristles that lift dust without scratching delicate surfaces. Dashboards, screens, speakers, even keyboard gaps. Its angled head reaches tight crevices, while the ergonomic handle gives you full control. Use it dry for dust or damp for grime. Either way, your cabin stays showroom clean with zero effort, because clean isn't just visual, it's a feeling. Automotive front seat storage with cup holder. Is your center console overflowing? Wallets, phones, snacks, sunglasses, everything sliding around? This front seat storage organizer straps neatly between your seat and console, adding 4 deep pockets, 2 cup holders, and a tablet sleeve, all within arm's reach. Made with rugged, tear-resistant fabric and non-slip backing, it stays put during sharp turns or highway speeds. Keep your essentials sorted, your drinks upright, and your focus on the road, not on fishing for your keys. Clutter-free driving starts with one simple strap: emergency keychain, car escape tool. Stuck in a sinking car or a wreck with jammed doors? Seconds matter. This pocket-sized escape tool combines a seatbelt cutter and spring-loaded window breaker, all on your keyring. No batteries, no setup. Just slam it against the window corner and shatter your way to safety. Lightweight, TSA-friendly, and reliable in rain, snow, or total darkness. It's not just a gadget, it's peace of mind you carry every day. Heads-up display for car stop, glancing down at your speedometer. Your eyes belong on the road. This HUD projector beams real-time speed, RPMs, and navigation arrows onto your windshield, right in your line of sight, like a fighter jet. Auto brightness adjusts from dawn to midnight, and alerts warn you when you're speeding or driving drowsy. Plug into your OBD 2-port or 12-volt socket, and in seconds, your commute becomes safer, smoother, and seriously futuristic. AUTOPHIX 3210, Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. The AUTOPHIX 3210 reads and clears codes, displays live engine data, fuel mix, temperature, voltage, and even resets oil service lights, all from your phone via Bluetooth. Compatible with 99% of cars post-1996, it turns you into your own mechanic. No more guesswork, just actionable insights, fast fixes, and money saved. Tech-savvy car care starts under your dashboard. Devil Eyes Light. Make your ride look like it just rolled out of a cyberpunk anime. These programmable windshield ambient lights, called Devil Eyes, glow in 16 million colors. Pulse to music or stay steady in your signature shade. Control them via app or remote. Mount them invisibly along your windshield frame and watch heads turn at night. Waterproof, low power, and totally legal as ambient lighting. Because your car shouldn't just drive, it should dazzle. Coverado seat. Covers spills, sun damage, pet claws. Your factory seats are under constant attack. Coverado seat covers are custom fit, ultra durable, and designed to match your car's interior like OEM. Made with breathable, stain-resistant fabric and reinforced stitching, they protect and upgrade your cabin's look. Installation takes minutes. No tools, no hassle. Keep your resale value high and your daily drive fresh, clean, and premium. Dash Cam. Omni. Most dash cams see forward. Omni sees everything. This 360-degree rotating dash cam automatically swivels to capture front, cabin, and rear footage, especially during collisions or break-ins. With AI motion detection, parking mode, and cloud backup, it's like having a 24/7 security guard for your vehicle. Even sends real-time alerts to your phone if someone approaches your parked car. Security shouldn't be static. Omni moves when it matters. CarrGenie want wireless CarPlay and Android Auto in any car, even vintage models. CarrGenie is the world's smallest adapter that adds full wireless mirroring with zero lag, no apps, and no phone jailbreaking. It connects via your car's USB port and works instantly with iPhone or Android. Stream Spotify, use Waze, take calls, all without touching your phone. Simple plug-in, instant upgrade, total freedom. EACE K01 TPMS tire pressure monitoring system. Low tire pressure? You won't know until it's too late. The EACE K K01 TPMS gives you real-time tire pressure and temperature on a sleek dash display with loud alerts if any tire drops below safe levels. 4 external sensors screw onto your valve stems. No internal installation, no tire dismounting. Prevent blowouts, improve fuel economy, and extend tire life. Because the safest journeys start with 4 properly inflated tires. And there you have it, 20 car gadgets that don't just add convenience, they transform your entire driving experience. Each one is a small change with a massive payoff. Now, I want to hear from you. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Drop your #1 pick in the comments below. Smash that like button. Subscribe to Tronify Tech. Stay smart, drive safe. This is Tronify Tech. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.